Picture this. It's the 1980s. Computers are booming, networks are expanding, but there's a big problem. Every system speaks its own weird data language. Email servers, routers, databases all yelling at each other like a chaotic UN meeting without translators. Enter ASN.1, the universal translator for data. Born in 1984, thanks to ITU and ISO, this genius notation gave machines a common tongue. Think of it like the Esperanto for computers, but way more successful. Suddenly, telecoms could route calls flawlessly. The internet, SNMP and LDAP started actually understanding each other. And security? Your HTTPS browsing? Thank ASN.1's X509 certificates for keeping hackers out. Without ASN.1, today's digital world might still sound like, well, dial-up noise. Yikes. Next time your video call connects perfectly, remember the silent hero ASN.1?